Welcome to this video on the history of mathematics, focusing on the fascinating rivalry between Tartaglia, Cardano, and Ferrari. In the 16th century, mathematics was a dangerous game. At universities like Bologna, public competitions were essential for securing prestige, funding, and professional survival. Mathematicians faced a major hurdle: solving cubic equations. It was considered impossible, requiring the conceptual leap of working with square roots of negative numbers. This story revolves around three figures: the brilliant but secretive Niccolò Tartaglia, the opportunistic Girolamo Cardano, and his gifted student Lodovico Ferrari. Niccolò Fontana, known as Tartaglia, was a self-taught genius and engineer whose early life was marked by injury and struggle, yet he transformed mathematical translation. The 1535 Bologna Showdown pitted Tartaglia against an assistant of Scipione del Ferro. Tartaglia won by solving all types of cubic equations, which he cleverly hid in a poem. Cardano eventually convinced Tartaglia to share his method under a promise of secrecy, only to later break that oath by publishing it in his 1545 book, Ars Magna. Meanwhile, Lodovico Ferrari pushed the boundaries further, developing a method to solve quartic, or fourth-degree equations, which Cardano also published in his work. This pursuit of solutions forced mathematicians to work with the square roots of negative numbers, leading to the accidental discovery of complex and imaginary numbers. The fallout led to a decade-long public feud between Tartaglia and Cardano. Ultimately, Ferrari challenged Tartaglia to a debate, which helped solidify Ferrari's rising academic status. While the cubic formula remains known as Cardano's formula, the fates of these men diverged significantly as they aged, with Tartaglia suffering a tragic, impoverished end. Beyond algebra, Cardano also wrote Liber de Ludo Alii, a groundbreaking treatment of probability that mathematically analyzed the laws of chance. Tartaglia's own legacy spans far beyond the cubic. He made pioneering contributions to ballistics, geometry, and provided the first modern translation of Euclid's Elements. Ultimately, the combined work of these three rivals helped fuel the European mathematical revolution, changing our understanding of notation, numbers, and physical laws. Thank you for watching this look at how the history of mathematics is truly a history of the human spirit.